Yo, what up YouTube? Zach here. Welcome back to the channel. And today we're going to be driving something a little different. So this right here is my buddy Taylor's single turbo 335 with 8-speed swap. And today I stole it from him. Yep, you heard that. It says what it looks like under the hood. Got a nice size turbo, very similar to my setup. Pretty much the same really. Only difference is it has an 8-speed versus my manual. And you can see you have the nice peanut butter interior with a nice carbon wheel, some carbon trim. Really nice car. Carbon trunk, and then nice little single exit right there. Very nice. So yeah, we're gonna be taking it for a drive. I've got the 360 on the back. We're gonna get some POVs, sound clips, shifts, everything. So let's get into it. That's pretty good.
Fuck yeah, buddy.
That's N54 smells. It's normal.
Yeah, but his is hard. Sure, that'll work.
Downshifts flutter, which is nice. car is louder when the wastegate opens in mine.
Yeah, it is.
Right?
Yeah. Or it might be the same. I don't know. It's just, it's that with the additional shift that fucking pops while you shift.
Yeah, I know. But so do I if I flat foot it. But mine's just like, I know what you mean. Mine's like a louder pop. This is more like a, just like a
Longer pop.
yeah, like a.
Yeah. I still like yours too.
Yeah,
I
manual's
think theirs is
different.
more natural.
Manual's more raw, and that's the thing.
Yeah.
Oh look, it's cool. All right, hope you guys enjoyed those clips. We're actually back at my house because I had to get the SD card for my camera to get some pictures. Typical rookie mistake. But yeah, two N54 single turbo beasts with pretty much the exact same mods. But you got the automatic and the manual on this side. But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.